Okay, so I've had a few people ask me that the command bar button doesn't work, and I think basically it's down to people using an older version of Basic Admin. If you're using the most recent version of Basic Admin, then your command bar script is going to look like this. It's a little bit different from the one on my dev forum post, but I have now updated my dev forum post to, of course, include the newest version. Basically, instead of Basic Admin Essentials in these brackets here, where it's wait for child, you're actually going to put Basic Admin. That's all you kind of have to write there. And for everything else, it's exactly the same. And so then we're going to basically, if you don't know how to do UI, you can go look up a UI tutorial. But we're going to go into the basic admin client script to set this up. So usually when I'm setting up a toggle command bar button like this, I would just go to the very bottom of the script, right to the bottom, and then we are just going to say local command bar bindable. We're going to create instance.new bindable event. I'm going to say command bar bindable.name is toggle command bar. I'm going to say command bar bindable.parent is basic admin folder. Then all I'm going to do is command bar bindable.event connect console. Yep, just like that. That is literally all you need to do in order to create a command bar button. And as you can see, when we go into the game and then click on open command bar, the command bar opens up just like that. Simple as that.